Okay, right after we finished our last live, the boat came around the corner. We've got some people right now that are being brought out of their homes, and so the fire department's out here. We're going to, I'm going to leave Allison, my camera person, get some video. I might talk over it. I also want to get some video for later so I can bring this to you later. But right now we've got a boat. Looks like there's about 2 or 3 people on it. So Allison, will you pan over towards the boat? Okay, so I'm gonna let Allison stay in charge. We've got a few people coming in on the boat. The fire department's over here ready to help them get out. We've got, looks like 4 Goshen Fire Department firefighters out there helping out. It's great that, you know, you see all this stuff on TV, and I spent 13 years in the news business. I never got to see anything like this, so it's really interesting to see people just taking their time, doing what they need to do, being professional and getting some people out of their homes. So I'm gonna let Allison get some video. Yeah, that's right. We're on Lincoln Avenue, just west of, or just east of Indiana, just past the speedway there, right before you get to the entrance for Linway. I believe we're a block west of Denver, right in between Denver and Indiana there. So we're gonna wrap up this live and talk to the firefighters and see if there's anybody else that they're helping out there, and see if we can maybe find the story of these people here. All right. Finish up.